Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Raj from Radical Tech Art, your process automation strategist. In today's video, we are going to talk about something that affects even the best flow meters, and that is installation mistakes. Because let's be honest, even if you have the most accurate flow sensors, it won't perform well if you have installed it incorrectly. So let me walk you through the top 5 mistakes I have seen in the field, and more importantly, how to avoid that. Mistake number 1, installing the flow meter in a bad location. That means right after a pump or right after a control valve or too close to elbows, keys or reducers or near vibrating machinery. Why is that a problem? Because the flow will be turbulent and your readings will be inconsistent. To fix it, follow the manufacturer's guideline for straight pipe runs, typically 10 pipe diameters upstream and 5 downstream. Make sure the flow is smooth, developed and stable. Mistake number 2, installing the flow meter in the wrong direction. Yes, it happens more than you think. Someone mounts it fast, wires it, powers it on, and then sees negative or 0 readings. To fix it, always check the arrow on the body of the flow meter. It should match the actual flow direction in the pipeline. One small check can create a big difference. Mistake number 3, installing a liquid flow meter at the highest point in the pipe loop. Why is that bad? Because it allows air bubbles to collect, and that leads to false low readings or flow dropouts. To fix it, mount the meter at a low point in the line where the pipe remains completely filled with liquid. No air is equal to accurate data. Mistake number 4, improper grounding or no shielding, especially for magnetic and ultrasonic flow meters. Without proper shielding, you can get electrical noise, signal instability, or interference. To fix it, use twisted shielded signal cables. Ground the shield at one and only. Keep signal and power cables separate in your panel or conduit. It takes 5 extra minutes but saves hours of debugging later. Mistake number 5, installing the meter in the wrong orientation. Some flow meters require horizontal mounting. Others needs to be installed vertically with upward flow. If you ignore that, you may wear out the moving parts or lose accuracy entirely. To fix it, always check the datasheet, follow the exact orientation recommended by the manufacturers, especially for turbine, pedal wheel, or positive displacement meters. Now let's do recap the top 5 mistakes you should avoid. First, poor installation location, too close to flow disturbances. Second, reverse flow direction. Third, air pockets in liquid lines. Fourth, lack of proper grounding and shielding. And fifth is wrong orientation against manufacturer's guideline. Avoid these simple mistakes can greatly improve your accuracy, sensor life, and plant efficiency. Have you faced any of these issues in your plant? Share your experience in the comment section. We would love to know that. If this video is helpful, hit like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video of real world application of flow meters. Thank you so much.